Welcome back to the channel. Shower today. I'll show you step by step how to replace a shower diverter valve. This quick fix will stop leaks and restore proper water flow between your tub and shower. Let's get started. Tools and materials needed: flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, adjustable wrench or deep socket, replacement diverter valve, plumber's tape optional, rag or towel, tape to cover the drain. Step 1. Shut off the water. Locate your shower shutoff valve and turn off the water supply. This will prevent leaks and make the job a lot easier. Step 2. Remove the handle. First, remove the handle from your faucet. This will give you full access to the diverter and the plate covering it. Take your time and keep all screws or small parts safe so you don't lose anything. Step 3. Remove the diverter plate. Next, remove the plate that covers the diverter. Once the plate is off, you'll be able to see the diverter location clearly inside the faucet. This makes it easy to work on without damaging the surrounding area. Step 4. Remove the old diverter. You'll need a wrench or a deep socket to remove the old diverter. Some installations don't leave enough room to reach the diverter easily, so use your wrench to loosen and remove the old diverter. Make sure to remove all remaining pieces, including small fragment of the old button, so the new diverter fits cleanly. Step 5. Install the new diverter. Slide the new diverter in horizontally, making sure it's fully seated. Screw it on by hand first, then snug it with your wrench. The rubber grommet on the diverter ensures a watertight seal, so you won't need PTFE tape. Once installed, turn on the shower to check for any leaks around the diverter mount. Everything should be secure and leak-free. Step 6. Reassemble the faucet. After confirming no leaks, reinstall the diverter plate and secure it with screws. Apply a thin bead of caulk around the edges for extra water protection if needed. Finally, put the handle back on your faucet. Everything should fit snugly and operate smoothly. Step 7. Restore water supply. Turn the water back on and test your shower. Switch between tub and shower mode to make sure everything works smoothly and there are no leaks. And that's it. Your Delta faucet bathtub diverter is now replaced and working perfectly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next DIY plumbing video.